In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a coupon on Agoda. Whether you're an experienced traveler looking to save some money, or this is your first time exploring Agoda's services, knowing how to effectively use a coupon can really help make your trips more affordable. So, let's break it down step by step in a way that's easy to follow. To start, you need to make sure you're on Agoda's main dashboard. Now, once you're all set there, it's time to embark on the journey of finding those money-saving opportunities. What you want to do is look for any section that might mention coupons or deals. This will typically be a prominent part of the dashboard, given Agoda's emphasis on offering the best bargains. The interface might look a bit different depending on the device you're using, but keep an eye out for any enticing promotions that can enhance your travel plans without breaking the bank. Once you've navigated to the Coupons and Deals section, you should see a list of current offers. Agoda regularly updates these to provide fresh deals, so it's worth checking back often to catch the latest savings. Take your time to browse through the options available. Each offer will likely come with specific conditions, so understanding these will ensure you use them correctly. Whether it's a percentage off your hotel stay or a special rate on specific rooms, make a note of the coupon code and its terms. Now, having noted down a coupon code that catches your eye, you're ready to apply it to a booking. Start by selecting the accommodation that suits your travel needs. As you go through the booking process, Agoda provides an intuitive interface, guiding you step by step. Once you've selected your dates and room, proceed with the booking as you normally would. You're moving closer to your goal of securing that discount, so at some point in the transaction process, you'll arrive at a checkout or booking confirmation page. This is where the magic happens. Look closely for a field labeled something like Enter Coupon Code, Discount Code, or Promo Code. It should be fairly prominent, so you won't have to hunt around too much. In this section, enter the coupon code exactly as it appeared in the Coupons and Deals list. Be mindful of details, such as uppercase or lowercase letters, and any spaces, as incorrect entries might prevent the discount from applying. After entering the code, usually, there will be a button you need to click to apply this code. Once you've applied the coupon, take a moment to see that your discount has been reflected in the total price. This is a crucial step, as the system should show the adjusted amount, confirming your discount was successfully applied. This final step ensures that everything is correct before you proceed to complete your booking. And there you have it. Using a coupon on Agoda is really that simple. By exploring their deals regularly and following these steps, you can make your travels more budget-friendly. Thanks for tuning in today, and enjoy the savings on your next adventure with Agoda.